So this is how the package looks like. There is a little brochure. I will just show you everything I have in here. So let's just take it all out. All right, so that's it. It's empty now. Well, honestly, this would be, I believe, about everything I would use if I need to have any makeup on. Of course, like not everything at the same time. So let's see. Well, I have come across the Rejuva Minerals company like about maybe 5 years ago, even at a time when they didn't have that fancy website and that really beautiful packaging. So in my opinion, it's one of the best companies if you want to use something really non-toxic, something that would not disrupt your hormones, put any chemicals, pesticides, like nasty stuff, right? And again, what's really important is that I was able to order all of it because it is affordable compared to many other like natural companies. So let's start by the main thing here. Well, that would be the foundation. The Rejuva Minerals foundation, it's all made in USA, which is great. Well, I've used this foundation before. This is the powder foundation, so it probably tells you how to use it. So you open it up here and you know, and then you're ready to use it. And this is the large size because I know it would last me like forever. I usually order it in the color soft tan. So normally I would put this it could be used as a concealer, or I would put this on top, this Flawless Finish Cream Foundation, and it says it's skin perfecting. This is the new product on their website. Well, it's new for me, and it's a cream foundation. Let's see, I've ordered it in the color buttercream. Besides, they have a very easy way of identifying which foundation is better for you, like what color is the best, which is very important. So it's like a compact here. It has the mirror, and this is the foundation, and it is really creamy, as you could see. So that's that. So this is for my face, right, or your face if you order it. Now, this is the Rejuva Minerals Natural Look Pressed Foundation. So you call it like, this is the powder, this is the cream foundation, and this is just like the regular pressed powder. And beautiful packaging, I should say. Another great thing about their website is that you could order everything in the trial size, let's say if you're not sure if you're going to like it. So it has a sponge here, which is a good addition, but you could use any sponge you have. And let's open it up. See? This could be used as a concealer, or, you know, maybe even as some natural eyeshadow. So that's that. I'm going to move to this mascara. Well, I'm not sure every time if like this natural kind of mascara would work, but I've watched a tutorial on YouTube where like that was a demonstration of some pretty girl, and her eyelashes were, you know, looked really good. The size was dramatically increased, and the volume. And I hope you would agree that for the mascara, the brush is very important. It is actually so heavy, I should say. So let me show you what brush it is. They have only 2 mascaras on their website, and this type of brush is known to give real good volume to the eyelashes. So this is the thickening and lengthening Mega Lash Mascara. So I believe this type is a couple dollars more than the other one, so maybe one day we'll try the other one as well. Now I am going to move forward to this multi-purpose pressed powder for face. Well, it says multi-purpose because they have different colors. Like here I have 2. I have the Moonless Night and the Acai Berry. So this one I've ordered for the eye makeup, let's say if you want to make a nice line, because on their website they don't sell any pencils. So this is the black color. You could make smoky eyes if you are into them, or just identify your eyes a little bit because it's like really black. And for the same purpose, I have ordered another one, which is Acai Berry. You could use it for, I'm going to use it as a blush, but you can of course use it the same wise. You could use it for your eyes, and it has very natural color. Well, I'm sorry, my hands look all crooked in here, but so this is a very beautiful packaging as well. Now the next thing I have here is another type of multi-purpose pressed powder in the Mocha Latte. And this is the powder I'm going to use as the main eyeshadow because it has very natural look, which I think looks good on me. So this is number 3 here. I'm going to show you. It looks like that. So like mocha water it is. Let me put a little more. Okay, so let's move forward. And this is number 4. It's multi-purpose pressed powder for face in the color of papaya. And this is the powder that I'm also going to use for my face. Well, because I wasn't really sure which one would be the better form of a blush for me, because this one has a little more color, so I believe I will be able to combine them. So this is it. This is just to play with your eyes and eyeshadows kind of thing. So this is our foundations. And you know, the great thing about these foundations, I started using this company when I was suffering from really bad acne, and it was really, I mean, it did a great job covering them up. And what I was also using, I'm trying to find it here, it's the concealer. I ordered it in small size because that would be enough for me, and it's really small here, but I'm going to use it just for some spots which need some extra coverage and under my eyes. So let's open up. It's just the powder. When you order it in the large size like this one, it will have the same structure. Like, I think it will be easier to use it. So now I have 3 things left. So this is for the lips. It's a Pure Lips lipstick. I have decided to give it a try because normally I don't wear lipstick. Just the, you know, this Lucas Papai cream, which I put like everywhere dry, including my lips. It looks just like a regular lipstick. Let's see the color. I really want to see the color. It might be a little dark, but I think if you mix it up with something or just blend it, I think it's going to give you more or less natural look. So let's give it a try, right? And it's winter month, so I think I could go with a lipstick. And I have 2 things left. That's the Mineral Powder Loose Bronze. I've ordered it because I'm going to use it as a bronzer, obviously. Well, I know I don't make any makeup videos. I'm not into that thing on YouTube. So I just really wanted to share with you that there is natural makeup, which is important for us to remember. That I ordered everything this in the trial size because I can't open it, yeah. So it looks like this. You would obviously need to blend it well so it looks nicely. This is the multitask powder. I wasn't sure about this one, so I've ordered it in the small size as well, but this is good. It's ultra sheer, and the main purpose of it is that it will also help you to cover up all the skin imperfections that you might have. And I believe you could use it if you just want to go with this powder. You could use this multitask powder all over your face, so it will sort of even it up before the main foundation application. And as far as the color, it's just like that. It doesn't have any colors in there. It just goes one color. It just goes in one color. So this is it. A bunch of beautiful boxes and beautiful products right here I have, and I just take the mascara out. And if you want, you know, to know my comments about specific items I'm using here, I would be glad to answer all your questions. And again, the main purpose of this video is to let you know that there is natural makeup out there, and we should never forget about this because we're putting it in our face and it's absorbing everything like a sponge, so it really gets into your bloodstream. So if you're still using any L'Oreal products or Maybelline or something like that, I mean, I'm not saying go ahead and throw it away in the trash, but once you've finished your mascara, go ahead and buy good mascara from a good natural company. And the same goes with everything. If you're out of eyeshadow, just go buy it. And then I'm saying little by little. So I'm going to really renew my makeup. I was purchasing the items that are not good for me, and I did not want to do it. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. This website, by the way, it did not pay me for this video or any advertisement. I'm doing this just because I want to share with you great stuff, so we could know about great things together. So thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all the best. I wish you great makeup products, flawless looking skin, and I will be happy to see you in my next video.